Hey everyone, Jeff Weibel here, and in this video I'm going to be giving out my real estate agent course that I had been charging $500 for at one point. But in this video I'm going to be giving it out absolutely free. Yes, free. So what is the catch? Well, the catch is you just have to hit the like button on this video. No, just kidding. I'm going to give it to you either way in this video, but it would help me out here on YouTube if you could actually just hit the like button. Now, with that out of the way, about 4 years ago, I made a course about how to help out new real estate agents. I pretty much just hit record and went over everything I knew about being a real estate agent and how to make money. I was fresh off making $100,000 in my first year being a real estate agent, and I wanted to document it. In my first 6 months, I made a lot of mistakes, and I wanted to make a course to help out people to avoid those mistakes, hit the ground running. And back then, the whole rage was all about selling online courses. The course was successful, and to this date, over 1,200 aspiring real estate agents have signed up for the course, and I'm super proud of that. I've always received lots of quality feedback on the course and how raw it is, and I just wanted to tell it how it really is to be a real estate agent with no fluff. I even swear a bit in the course, so be careful who's listening when you go through it. The course has always been housed over on Teachable, and if anybody ever wanted to get it, you'd have to leave YouTube and you'd have to go over to Teachable. You'd have to sign up, put in your email address, your credit card to get access to it. But for about a year now, I've just been giving the course away for absolutely free on Teachable. And after taking great inspiration from another real estate agent and YouTuber, Ricky Caruth, Ricky told me, hey, just make it free and it's gonna blow up. Well, I had given it out to 517 people that day when he told me to do that, and it just felt great to help them out. So that's what I want to do for you now, but I want to make it even easier for you guys to go through it. And I don't want you to have to go to Teachable. So I was wondering, how do I do this? And the other day I'm riding my bike, my Nordic track bike, and I'm in Italy. And I thought, okay, Teachable is great, but like where else could I house videos? Then it hit me. I could put all the videos here on YouTube, but in the world of YouTube, you don't want to upload like 50 videos that make no sense for the channel. So what could I do? And I thought, I can make an unlisted playlist. So that's what I've done now. It's an unlisted playlist and it's right here. Also, it'll be linked in my description and pinned as the top comment. Now you can go through the course methodically and take as much time as you need, go through it multiple times. And if you've ever taken the course before and you've already done it, I'd love to hear from you right down below in this comment section and tell people that it's pretty good or bad or whatever you want to do. Just go ahead, fill up the comments there. And you can also leave comments in the unlisted videos too, so people will see your comments in there. If you're a realtor right now, maybe you can show this video to a few new people in your office and that would help them out a lot. It's pretty tough being a brand new real estate agent. In the course, I talk about how to avoid the dreaded office life as a realtor and how to negotiate million-dollar sales. So why am I giving this away for free? Not only do I enjoy providing hours of content here on the main channel for you guys, but I like to see realtors actually win. Very early on in your career, you'll hear that clients come and go, but your relationships with fellow realtors will last forever and be the reason why you get so many deals done down the road. So never burn a bridge as a realtor, even though you're gonna wanna do it multiple times, just don't do it. And what I teach in the course is definitely Jeff Weibel Realtor Year 1 and 2. It's totally me, and it's such a good foundation. Even uploading the playlist, I was watching a few of the videos and I was like, oh yeah, that was a good idea. I haven't done that in a while. So you're gonna pick up so much tips. Now, I should probably make a course about how to make $500,000 in your 5th year being a real estate agent. As I grow as an agent, I continue to find different ways and I focus on what actually works, big picture, what actually making me money. That's been the key to my current success and also making the now very high commissions. So without further ado, grab a coffee, pause your Netflix, and go to virtual real estate school with me and start learning how to actually make money as a realtor. Even if you're experienced, you might pick up a few golden nuggets in the course. Even if you're not a realtor, you might even pick up some good sales tips. But there is a trap with this. When people give you something free, sometimes it's just not valued. This is why top coaches charge tens of thousands of dollars for their time. They want you to commit to completing the training. When it's free, there's just no pain point for you and you can procrastinate and never actually have to do it. So you know the course is free, but will you actually go through it on my channel here? Well, you're gonna have to dig down and actually get it done since you don't have to feel the pain of writing a $10,000 check to take this course or be trained by somebody. I also don't want to be a coach or take paid phone calls because I'm still actively working and not in the business of teaching realtors daily in exchange for money. So here you go. It's a free course. Over 50 videos you can crush in one day or take a week. Try it at 2 times speed, up to you. But whatever you do, make sure you're thinking about how to make $100,000 this year daily, and be sure to write me when you do. You can find me over at @JeffWybo on Instagram, and be sure to take a photo and tag me in your stories as you're going through the content. Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to this channel where I talk a lot about money and real estate. You can also check out the course here, and you can watch some of my other videos on my channel here, and it would mean the world to me if you subscribe here. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.